Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the next problem that I am going to take today. It's a question based on the topic of trigonometry. It says, let x greater than pi by 2 but less than pi be such that cot of x equal to minus 5 upon square root of 11. Then we have to find the value of the expression sine of 11x by 2 into inside the bracket sine 6x minus cos 6x bracket close plus cos of 11x by 2 into inside the bracket sine 6x plus cos 6x bracket close. Now it's a simple question but an interesting one, and in order to solve this problem I will first of all open up all the brackets and rearrange the terms. Now after rearranging the terms, I can write this expression as cos of 11x by 2 into cos of 6x plus sine of 11x by 2 into sine of 6x plus sine 6x into cos 11x by 2 minus cos 6x into sine 11x by 2. Right? Now, why I have written like this? Because if I look at the first two terms, then they are clearly forming an identity cos A into cos B plus sine A into sine B. If I take 6x as A and this 11x by 2 as B, then this expression now becomes cos A cos B plus sine A sine B, which is nothing but cos of A minus B. So it becomes cos of 6x minus 11x by 2, right? And if I look at the last two terms of this expression, then they are forming the identity sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now again 6x is A and 11x by 2 is B. Fine. So sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is how much? It is sine of A minus B. So this is sine of 6x minus 11x by 2. Now this gets simplified to cos of 12x minus 11x, which is nothing but x. So x by 2 plus sine of x by 2. Right? Now let me call this expression as t. Now students, since x is lying between pi by 2 to pi, so it's very much clear that x by 2 will lie between pi by 4 to pi by 2. I have just divided the inequality by 2 throughout. Now this means that x by 2 is an angle which clearly lies in the first quadrant. So hence the value of cos of x by 2 plus sine of x by 2 will be positive, because we know that in the first quadrant both sine and cos are positive. So that means t will be greater than 0. Right? Now we move further. Now students, we got the expression as t equal to cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2. To get the value of t, I am squaring both sides. So I will be getting t square equal to cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2 whole square, which can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sine square x by 2 plus 2 times sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. Right? Now we know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is nothing but 1. So that means cos square x by 2 plus sine square x by 2 will be equal to just 1. And for this particular term, I am writing x by 2 as theta. So now I can use the identity 2 sine theta into cos theta equal to sine of 2 theta. So this will become sine 2 times x by 2, which is nothing but x. So that means t square is just equal to 1 plus sine x. Now students, we are given the value of cot x as minus 5 upon square root of 11. So now just square both sides. You will be getting cot square x as 25 upon 11. So I can write cosecant square x equal to 1 plus cot square x further equal to 1 plus 25 upon 11 or 36 upon 11. Now cosecant x can have two values. Either it can be 6 upon square root of 11 or it can be minus 6 upon square root of 11. Now since the value of x lies in the second quadrant, it is lying between pi by 2 to pi. So that means cosecant x will be positive, because in the second quadrant both sin x and cosecant x, they are positive. So that means from here we get cosecant x as 6 upon square root of 11. Now students, we know that sin x is nothing but the reciprocal of cosecant x. So that means the value of sin x will be square root of 11 divided by 6. So from here, now we have got the value of t square. Fine. In order to get the value of t, what I am doing, I am multiplying up and down of this expression by 2. So t square becomes equal to 12 plus 2 into square root of 11 divided by 12. Right? Because we have to also get the answer in the form of the given options. So now at this stage, what we can do, this 12 can be broken down to square root of 11 square plus 1 square, right? And this 2 root 11 can be written as 2 root 11 into 1. Now students, you can just see the numerator has taken the shape of an identity. It has become a square plus b square plus 2ab, which can be further written as a plus b whole square. So that means this is square root of 11 plus 1 whole square, whole divided upon 12. Now you can easily find the value of t by taking the square root on both the sides. So t becomes equal to square root of 11 plus 1 divided upon square root of 12, which is nothing but 2 root 3. Now it's clear that t is positive. That's why I am taking the positive value of t. Otherwise, it could be negative also. But since we have already proved that t is positive, so that's why the value of t is square root of 11 plus 1 upon 2 root 3. Fine. Now students, the next question I will be taking in the tomorrow's video. So till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. And please share these videos among your friends as well. Thanks.